What did I do? What?
Relax. Hey,
yeah, what?
Relax.
What are you doing?
Hey, you're not under arrest.
What's going on, dude? What do you think's going on? I don't understand. Ow. Sir, I live at 36 West C Street. What are you doing? Sir, what are you doing?
We'll explain it to you in just 1 second. Stay facing that way.
They discriminated against me. I need to make a report on that. I did not do anything wrong. I'm sorry. I didn't. I'm trying to do things because I'm on a 13 charge. That was wrong. I don't understand.
Okay. Hey, you don't have any weapons or anything on you?
No, sir. God. No, man.
This is all your stuff?
Yes, man. You know, I
Right.
lived 36 West C Street for a decade. Yeah.
Okay, why won't you leave on the... Why are you putting stuff in the ceiling? Why would you leave?
Because there's no way to hold it. There's no way to, like, just... You see that? There's no way to, like, putting it...
Well,
yeah, I'm not a criminal or anything.
500 feet. Can you 10
You know, I think it's 15 years. It's ridiculous.
Most likely, they can respond.
I didn't tell you that. No, I said I wanted to make a report for discrimination. They just turned the Wi-Fi off the street, refused to serve me. Really?
Okay, well, that's their right.
They have a right to discriminate?
Absolutely, no.
I have no idea.
They have a right to refuse service.
For what? That discrimination? I never heard of that. I lived 2 blocks down the street for a decade. I never heard of that. I had no idea.
Alright, well, we're going to work on getting all of this put away and getting you out of here.
Jesus Christ.
Do you have ID?
No.
You don't have any ID?
Real quick, can you just follow the tip of my finger with your eyes?
I'm on methadone.
You're on methadone?
Yeah,
And Xanax?
Can you just close your eyes?
Alright, you can open. Hang right there for me. Were you fighting with anybody? What was going on?
No, man. They do try to play me. I have it all recorded.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Put everything in here. Put this stuff in here.
I'm trying to get the pride everywhere. I lived 2 blocks down the street for a decade in a house my life owns. My parents sold it 2 years ago.
So what have you been